In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Shopify international market. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side panel and find the option called Markets. Click that and you'll see your existing markets. At this stage, you might only see the country you originally selected when you first created your Shopify store. We're going to create a new market from scratch. Look to the top right corner of the Markets page and click Create Market. This opens the market editor. In the first field, give your new market a clear descriptive name. For example, you could call it International if you plan to include multiple countries, or simply name it after a specific country or region if you're targeting just one. Next, under the Includes section, click Add Condition. A pop-up will appear where you can choose which country or region you want to add to this market. Select your desired location or locations, then click Done at the bottom right. You'll notice that a currency is automatically set under the Customize section. If you want to change or fine-tune this, click the drop-down on the right side of the currency field. A small pop-up will appear. At the top, open the drop-down and select the currency you want for this market. If you've added multiple countries to the same market, you can choose Use Local Currencies so customers pay in their own regional currency. You can also decide whether you want price rounding enabled, and if you select a specific currency, Shopify may ask whether you prefer a dynamic or manual exchange rate. Once you're happy with these settings, click Done. Now look for the section labeled Inherited. Here you'll connect catalogs, domains and languages, and tax settings. Next to catalog, click the plus icon. Choose from your existing catalogs or create a new catalog tailored to this market. Then, next to domain/language, click the plus icon. Select the domain you want to use for this market. It will automatically inherit the language currently associated with that domain. We'll set up additional languages in a moment, so go ahead and click Done here. Next to Taxes and Duties, click the plus icon. A pop-up will open where you can configure sales tax, duties, and import tax for this market based on your business and legal requirements. When you're finished, click Done. At the top of the page, click Save and wait for Shopify to finish creating your new market. Now, let's set up languages. Look to the lower left of your Shopify admin and click Settings. Inside Settings, use the left panel to find and select Languages. On the Languages page, click Add Language in the top right. A pop-up will appear where you can choose the language you want to add. Select it, then click Next. You'll now choose which domain this language will be associated with. Toggle on the domain you want, then click Done. After the page reloads, you'll see the new language listed. If you want your store content translated into this language, click Translate. This will open your translation app where you can manage and review translations for your theme, products, and other content. Once you're ready to make that language visible to customers, go back to the languages list, click the 3 horizontal dots next to the language, and choose Publish. If you haven't fully translated your store yet, Shopify may show a warning, but you can still confirm and publish when you're ready. And that's the complete process for setting up an international market in Shopify, including currencies, catalogs, domains, taxes, and languages.